After almost 2 years of preparing my son's formula, this is by far the quickest. You just have to work out how many seconds will it take for it to heat up. I actually have different options here. I have portable bottle warmer. I also have microwave. And I have a flask that has a pre-boiled water. Among these options, this is my go-to in case I badly needed my baby's warm formula. Alright, this is how I do it. First things first, I already washed my hands and the bottle has already been sterilized. My baby is almost 2 years old, so I already poured 180 ml of water. You may use distilled or spring water. It doesn't bother me to use both spring or distilled water. Now I just pour 180 ml of water into the kettle. Just close the lid and press the button and start counting. Counting here may vary, so it depends on the kettle that you have. With my kettle, I only have to count 1 to 16 with 180 ml of water. So as soon as I press the button, I start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 16. There you go. You already have a little warm water ready for your formula. Especially at winter time, my baby prefers warm milk, and who doesn't want it? As always, we need to test the temperature of the water by dripping a little bit of water onto the inside of your wrist. Just make sure you shake it well to avoid hot spots in the bottle. As per the feeding guide, I need at least 3 scoops of the formula. And then just gently mix it or shake it until the powder has completely dissolved. Voila! Now it's ready to be served.